Exercise 9.1, question number 12. From the top of 7-meter high building, the angle of elevation of top of cable tower is 60 degree and the angle of depression of its foot is 45 degree. Determine the height of tower. 7 मीटर हाई बिल्डिंग के टॉप से जो केबल टावर का टॉप है उसका जो एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन है वो है 60 डिग्री और केबल टावर के फुट से जो एंगल ऑफ डिप्रेशन है वो है 45 डिग्री। टावर की हाइट फाइंड आउट करनी है। सॉल्यूशन, लेट वी हैव द ग्राउंड लेवल। Suppose this is the height of cable tower. Let it will be h. On the other hand, let it is the position of the building which is 7 meter high. From the top of 7 meter high building, angle of elevation of top of cable tower. अब केबल टावर का टॉप जो ये है and from the top of 7 meter high building, 7 meter high building यानी कि this point meet with this point and this side equal to this side. If it is 7 meter, this height will be 7 meter. Let who height be h. Now this height become h minus 7 meter and this angle is 60 degree. And in the question it is said that the angle of depression of its foot is 45 degree. केबल टावर इसका फुट जो है ये है, तो ये जो एंगल बन रहा है दैट इज 45 डिग्री। Let point be A, V, C, D and E. Solution, let VD equal to HV the position of cable tower. This is the cable tower and this is the welding. Let AE equal to 7 meter be the position of welding the angle of depression of this is the angle of depression and this is the angle of elevation. The angle of depression of that we have in this case angle of elevation is 60 degree and angle of depression is 45 degree. Now in right angle triangle, VAE AB upon AE, that is equal to cot 45 degree. We know cot 45 degree equal to 1. AV, the value of AE, that is 7 meter. Cot 45 degree equal to 1. Now AV equal to 7 meter. That it will be first point. On the other hand, in right angle triangle, DCE, EC upon DC equal to cot 60 degree. EC अपॉन DC कितना हो गया, ये पूरा H है तो ये 7 कम कर दी इसमें से, H - 7 इक्वल टू cot 60 degree. That is the value of cot 60 degree equal to square root of 1 upon square root of 1 upon square root of 3. तो ये हो गया EC upon H - 7 equal to 1 upon square root of 3. After cross multiplication we have square root of 3 EC equal to H - 7, EC equal to H - 7 upon square root of 3. अब जो EC है वो AB के इक्विवेलेंट है. EC equal to AB तो इसको लिखेंगे हम EC equal to AB. We can write AB equal to H - 7 upon square root of 3. Let it be second point. From 1 and 2 we have AB equal to 7 मीटर, तो 7 हो जाएगा H - 7 अपॉन स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 3. तो ये हो जाएगा 7 स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 3 इक्वल टू H - 7. We can write further H - 7 equal to 7 square root of 3. Now transpose -7 on the other hand we have 7 square root of 3 plus 7. Now take common 7, we have square root of 3 plus 1. As we know that the value of square root 3, that is 1.732 plus 1. H equal to 7, 2.732. 2.732 multiplied by 7 to the 14. Now it becomes 19 point. It become 19.2 124 meter. So height of cable tower equal to 19.20 meter, approximately